He didn't want to involve politicians for this. Indeed, I brought people on the ground, took them to State House. They spoke for themselves. Then the remark I made, which made some people now broke or found upon to speak ill of me, was this to the president. This I can tell you. Your Excellency, it is painful. You have ministers who should help you to come up with a policy for the recovery of the war-torn people of this area. They're the ones going and grabbing land. They're the ones who are now employing BALAALO to look after their cattle. You have military officers who should be promoting your revolution and now grabbing land. This is unthinkable. That one I told the president. Beyond that, I've never said anything about the BALAALO. But if you had come to me, you've known this. Then we agreed with him that I would go and speak on radio, which I did in Gulu, and it was connected to all the FMs in the Acholi sub-region. That let nobody take the law into their hands, because this is a matter which is being resolved. I explained to him that a committee has been set, which will do the verification. He amended, as a result of those visitations, he amended, he said, okay, those who are roaming the countryside must leave. But those who claim to have fence of land, which they say they bought, can remain until a verification committee goes and verifies that the land was lawfully acquired, the fencing is proper, and there is water provision, and so on and so forth. So this is what happened. If you think a Chief Justice should not do that, we will never agree with you. I have no apology to make. I would do it again until the Lord calls me. That one I would do. Because I don't want that society to see bloodshed again. For you, you've not lived in war. You can afford to play games. For me, it's not a matter of games. The Bangalore Declaration will never help our people to stop bloodshed. And by the way, if you want me to step down as Chief Justice, it is the easiest decision. You have to choose between being Chief Justice and ensuring that there is no armed conflict in Acholi sub-region. Even from here, I'll walk away and write that letter of resignation. Thank you.